Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif, teaching IIT JEE Mains and Advanced Math from past 16 years. Taught math in India as well as abroad. Currently working as head of the maths department and vice principal of Giraffe Learning. Before I start guys, please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications for all my classes. And below the description box there is a link there. You can use that link to attend my special classes and plus classes, that is free classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform guys. And please do follow me in Unacademy app as well so that you get notifications of all my classes. Alright, let me tell you about Unacademy Plus subscription. These are the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants, in fact for 2022 as well. For 12 months it will cost you 12375, that is 1031 per month. Enter this referral code, you get 10% off. Alright, and this referral code is there below the description box as well, and there is a link there to take the subscription as well. For 6 months it will be 10125, that is 1688 per month. Enter this referral code, you get 10% off, and per month 2250. You get premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, daily practice paper, full and mock with analysis. You get all this under single subscription. There is single subscription, unlimited access. Okay, this is Maestro's batch for KCET 2021 by the best educators in the country, which was started on 15th of December. There's one more batch which started on 4th Jan. Okay, and do take up this batch guys. Right, these are the best plans just now which I discussed. You have a plan for 6 months, 12 months, 3 months per month as well. Okay, and then today we are starting with PYQs of applications of integral part 1 guys. Okay, now listen. Before I start up, okay, let me give you some standard results which are very useful in competitive exams. Okay, so point number 1 or result number 1. Whenever you have a parabola y square is equal to 4x, y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4ay. Okay, area will be equal to 16a square divided by 3. Area will be equal to 16a square by 3. Okay, now suppose if you have like this example. Okay, let me give an example. If you have suppose area bounded by y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y. Or let me take another parabola. Y square is equal to 8x. Y square is equal to 8x and x square is equal to 8y. If I compare, you get 4a is equal to 8, then a is equal to 2. Okay, then area will be equal to 16a square by 3, right? Area is equal to 16 by 3 into a square, that is equal to 2 square. 16 4 64 divided by 3 square units. This is point number 1, result number 1. Okay, and then point number 2. When you have suppose y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4by. 4by, area will be equal to 16 ab divided by 3. Okay, now example. Y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 8y. If you compare, you will get this as 4a is equal to 4. So you get a equal to 1. Okay, and then 4b is equal to 8. B is equal to 2. So this is the area. Area is equal to 16ab by 3. So this is equal to 16 upon 3. A will be equal to 1. B is equal to 2. So that's equal to 32 by 3. Okay, remaining results I'll give you guys when I'm using those results. So now this is of the form. This is of the form y square is equal. This is y square is equal to x and x square is equal to y. Now I am supposed to find the area bounded by this. Okay, now I'm going to compare this with y square is equal to 4x and compare this with x square is equal to 4ay. Okay, if I equate, guys, you get 4a is equal to 1, you get a equal to 1 upon 4. So just now I gave you the result. Area bounded by y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4ay. Okay, area will be equal to 16 a square divided by 3. A square divided by 3. So this is equal to 16 by 3 into a square. A will be equal to 1 by 4 the whole square. 1 by 4 the whole square. So this is equal to 16 by 3. And if you square this, you get 1 by 16. This will cancel. You will get this as 1 by 3 square units. Okay, that's the answer, guys. 1 by 3 square units. Answer is option B. Okay, let's move to the next question. Area bounded by y equal to x cube, y equal to 8 and x is equal to 0. Okay, this you've done in 11th standard. Whenever you have a cubic function y equal to x cube, okay, this is the graph of cubic function. Plotting the graph is very important, guys. So this is the graph of y equal to x cube. This is y, this is x, this is the graph of y equal to x cube. So same logic if I apply, if I plot the graph of a cubic function. Okay, this is the graph of cubic function y equal to x cube. This fellow is y is equal to x cube. Okay, and then x is x-axis. Okay, and then y-axis. Y-axis x is equal to 0 and y equal to 8. This is the line. This is the line y equal to 8. Okay, and then obviously x-axis y will be equal to 0. This area I am supposed to find out. Okay, I need to find out the shaded part. So I will integrate with respect to y, area bounded by the curve and y-axis. Okay, now area is equal to integration of y is equal to 0 to y equal to 8. Okay, and then f of y dy. So area is equal to integration of 0 to 8. Right, function of y dy. So you have x cube is equal to y. X is equal to y to the power of 1 by 3. Y to the power of 1 by y and then dy. Area is equal to y to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1 whole to the power of 0 to 8 between the limit 0 to 8. Okay, now this is equal to, let me finish here itself, guys. So the a is equal to y to the power of 4 by 3. Y to the power of 4 by 3 upon 4 by 3. Okay, between the limits 0 to 8. So this becomes 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Upper limit is 8 to the power of 4 by 3. And lower limit is 0. This is 3 by 4. And then this is 2 cube whole to the power of 4 by 3. Okay, I'm going to cancel this. So this is 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4, 2 power 4 is equal to 16. This will cancel 4 times. Okay, that's equal to 12. This will cancel 4 times. You get this as 12 square units. That's the answer, guys. Answer is 12 square units. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Area between y square is equal to 2x and y equal to x. Okay, whenever you have line y square, whenever you have a parabola y square is equal to 4x, y square is equal to 4x and the line y is equal to mx. The line y equal to mx, area will be equal to 8a square by 3m cube. Y square is area bounded by the parabola y square is equal to 4x and the line y equal to mx. Area will be equal to 8a square by 3m cube. This is general result. Okay, now this is of the form y square is equal to 2x and this is of the form y is equal to mx, that is y equal to 2x. If you compare, you get 4a is equal to 2 and then a equal to half. If you compare, m is equal to 2. Okay, now area is equal to 8 by 3 into a square. A is equal to 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay, and divided by m cube, this is equal to 2 cube. So this is 8 by 3. If you square this, you get 1 by 4 and 2 cube is equal to 8. This will cancel. Okay, 1 minute guys. If you compare, you get 4a is equal to y square is equal to 2x. 4a is equal to a equal to 1 by 2, m equal to 2. That's right, 8a square by 3mq, right? Area is equal to 8. Okay, a square is 1 by 2 the whole square. Divide answer to 4 by 3 and m cube is 2 cube. This 8 will cancel with 2 cube. M is equal to 2, so you get 2 cube. 8a square by 3m cube. M is equal to 2. 4y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y. This is y equal to mx, no? Y equal to x, right? Sorry guys, this is y equal to x, not mx. Y equal to mx is of the form y equal to x. If you compare y equal to x, m is equal to 1 only, now. Okay, y equal to m. Now if I substitute, so area bounded by y square is equal to 4x, x square, and the line y equal to mx is 8a square by 3m cube. So this is equal to 8 times a square is equal to 1 upon 2. So 1 by 2 the whole square into 3 m cube is 1. Okay, because m is 1. 8 into a bracket 1 by 2 square 4 and divided by 3. This will cancel 2 times. You will get this as 2 by 3 square units. Okay, that's the last option. Alright guys, let's move to the next question. Area bounded by y square is equal to x and the line y equal to 16. Okay, now x square is equal to y or y equal to x square is an upward parabola. It's an upward curve and y equal to 16. This line is y equal to 16. This is x. This is x dash. This will be y equal to 0. So area of the region bounded by y equal to x square and line y equal to 16. So I am supposed to find out this area. Okay, I'll find only in the first quadrant and multiply by 2. Let's say this is O, this is S, okay, and then this is A. So I can write required area is equal to 2 times area of OAS. Okay, so this is equal to 2 times y is equal to a to y equal to 0 to y equal to 16, and then you get f of y dy. Is it clear guys? So this is equal to 2 times integration of 0 to 16. 0 to 16 function of y dy. So x square is equal to y is same as x is equal to y power half. So this is y to the power of half and then this is dy. Now let me integrate this. This is equal to 2 times integration of y power half is y power half plus 1, that is y power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Okay, between the limits 0 to 16. Between the limit 0 to 16, so this goes to numerator, you get 4 upon 3. This is 4 upon 3, then take upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 16 to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, lower limit is 0. So this is 4 upon 3. This is 4 square whole to the power of 3 by 2. I'm going to cancel this. Okay, 4 upon 3 into 4 cube is 64. 64 into 4 is 256. 256 divided by 3 square units. Okay, that's the answer guys. 256 divided by 3 square units. Answer is option C. 2017 question. Okay, let's move to the next question. Area of the region bounded by y equal to cos x, x equal to 0 and x equal to pi. Okay, so first let us plot the cos graph. Maximum value is 1 and minimum value is minus 1. Okay, this is minus pi by 2. On the right side you get plus pi by 2. Cos minus 90 is 0, cos 0 is 1, again cos pi by 2 is 0, cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, and so on. Odd multiples of pi by 2, cos will be 0. Okay, and then you get this is cos pi. Cos pi will be equal to minus 1. Okay, now I am supposed to find the area from 0 to pi. This area and this area, it is symmetric. Just find 0 to pi by 2 and multiply by 2. Okay, area between 0 and pi, area between pi and pi by 2 and pi is same. So it's a symmetric. So I just write area is equal to, okay, 2 times integration 0 to pi by 2, and then you get cos x dx. Okay, area is equal to 2 times integration of cos x is sin x between the limit 0 to pi by 2. So 2 times integration of upper limit is sin pi by 2, okay, lower limit is sin 0. Sin 0 will be equal to 0, sin 90 will be equal to 1. So area will be equal to 2 square units. Okay, area is equal to 2 square units. Answer will be equal to option C. Okay, let's move to the next question, guys. Area bounded by 2018 question. Area bounded by the line y equal to x. Okay, x coordinate, and the line x is equal to minus 1 and x equal to plus 2. Okay, and this is the line which will pass through the origin. Okay, this is the line y equal to x, and x is equal to 2. This line is x is equal to 2, and x is equal to minus 1. Okay, and then I am supposed to find out this area. Right, it's not symmetric. Right, area above the x-axis will be positive, area below the x-axis will be negative. So I should write area is equal to integration of minus 1 to 0 x dx, okay, plus integration of 0 to 2 x dx. Area above the x-axis will be positive, area below the x-axis will be negative. So what I'll do is I'll keep a mod here because area can't be negative now. So I'll keep a mod here. So this becomes, okay, area is equal to, no, the area below the x-axis will be negative. You need to consider only the positive part. Keep a mod there, alright, otherwise you will mess up. You cannot have a negative area plus the positive area na. Integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits minus 1 to 0. I keep a mod here, okay, and integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits 0 to 2. Area is equal to half of upper limit is 0, lower limit is minus 1 the whole square. Okay, and then there's a mod here. Plus half into a bracket, upper limit is 2 square and lower limit is 0. So this will be equal to mod of minus half. Okay, and then plus 2. Mod of minus half is plus half. Okay, plus 2. Answer will be equal to 5 upon 2 square units. You understand, guys? Area cannot be negative. Area below the x-axis you need to consider the modulus part. Answer will be equal to plus 5 by 2. Yeah, answer will be plus 5 by 2. Okay, 2019 question. Area of the region above x-axis included between the parabola y square equal to x and the circle x square plus y square equal to 2x. Okay, now first let me solve equations 1 and 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. I'm going to solve equations 1 and 2 just to get the point of intersection. Okay, solve equations 1 and 2. So you get this as x square, y square is equal to x is equal to 2x. Okay, x square minus x is equal to 0. Take x common, you get x minus 1 equal to 0. So I get x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 0, then y equal to 0. If x is equal to 1, you get y square equal to 1. That is y equal to plus minus 1. Right, so point of intersection will be equal to x is 0, y is 0. And then you get this as x is 1, y is plus minus 1. Okay, now that's a point of intersection, guys. Now the circle equation is x square, okay, minus 2x plus y square is equal to 0. X square minus 2x, okay, and then add 1, subtract 1 plus y square equal to 0. First three terms will be a perfect square. It will be x minus 1 the whole square plus y square equal to 1. Okay, now this is of the form x minus s the whole square plus y minus k the whole square, okay, is equal to r square. It's a circle whose center is h comma k and radius is r. So center is h comma k, as in center is 1 comma 0, okay, and then radius is equal to 1. Okay, now let us plot the graph, guys. So now I get a circle whose center is 1 comma 0 and radius is 1. So let me draw a circle whose center is 1 comma 0. Okay, so center is 1 comma 0, radius is 1, this is 0 comma 0, and then y square is equal to 4x is the right parabola. Okay, y square equal to 4x is the right parabola. Point of intersection is 0 comma 0 and 1 comma plus minus 1. So this will be the right parabola. Okay, and the point of intersection will be 0 comma 0. This is 1 comma 0 and minus 1 comma 0. Alright, now it is given in the question, see, area bounded between the circle and the parabola, and in the first quadrant, see the question, the area of the region above x-axis, so don't consider the below one, don't multiply by 2. Area of the region above x-axis included between the parabola and the circle. Okay, so it's above x-axis only the first quadrant, included between the circle and the parabola, only the shaded part. So I can write area is equal to, okay, is equal to this is a circle, na? Integration of 0 to 1. Integration 0 to 1, I'll take circle minus the parabola. Area of the circle minus the parabola will give me the shaded part. Okay, circle minus parabola equation will give me the shaded part. So this is equal to integration 0 to 1. Okay, circle equation, I have actually x minus 1 the whole square plus y square equal to 1. From this I can write y square is equal to 1 minus of x minus 1 the whole square. Y equal to root of 1 square. So I get y equal to root of 1 square minus with x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, y equal to 1 square minus with x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, so circle will be equal to root of 1 square minus x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, and then this will be dx. Minus integral 0 to 1. Parabola equation is y square is equal to x. So this parabola equation is actually y square equal to x. Y, a function of x, is y equal to root x. So this is x to the power of half and then dx. Okay, is this clear, guys? Okay, now this can be written as, this equation is formula is root of a square minus x square. Special integral root of a square minus x square will be equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square. Okay, and then plus a square by 2. Plus a square by 2 and then sine inverse of x by a. Sine inverse of x by a and then plus c. So this is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square. Okay, x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 plus 1 by 2 and sine inverse of x by a, sine inverse of x minus 1. Okay, between the limits 0 to 1, even this is between the limit 0 to 1, minus x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by x to the power of divided by 3 by 2 between the limit 0 to 1. Now if you substitute upper limit, 1 minus 1 will be 0. Lower limit is, if I substitute in place of x 0, you get root of 1 minus 1, that is 0. Plus half into a bracket, upper limit is sine inverse of 0, if I put x as 1. Minus lower limit is sine inverse of minus 1. Okay, minus sine inverse of minus 1. Minus 2 by 3. Okay, upper limit 1, lower limit is 0. So this will be equal to, anyways this is 0 guys, this is equal to half of sine inverse of minus 1 is minus pi by 2, minus and minus is plus pi by 2, minus 2 by 3. Okay, pi by 4, the answer is pi by 4, okay, minus 2 by 3. This is square units, pi by 4 minus 2 by 3 square units, pi by 4 minus 2 by 3. Pi by 4 minus 2 by 3 square units. Isn't it guys? Good question. 3 by 2 square units. That's the answer. So okay, that is 2019 question. Let's move to the next question. 2019 again. This is actually NCERT exemplar question. 2019 KCET 2019 problem. Area of the region between the y-axis. Okay, y equal to cos x and y equal to sin x, and x lies between 0 and pi by 2. See, first plot the sine graph. Between 0 and pi, if I plot the sine graph, this is 0 to pi. Okay, and then sin 90 is 1. This is x, this is y. Okay, and then sin 90 will be equal to 1. Okay, now if I plot the cos graph, cos 90 is 0 and cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So this is cos and sin will cut at 45 and both are equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, this is pi upon 4. Now the question is area between cos and sin, area bounded by cos x and sin x and y axis, that is this area, the shaded part. Okay, now listen. Area is equal to integration 0 to pi by 4. Integral 0 to pi by 4. Okay, I'm going to take like 0 to pi by 4 cos x. Okay, minus sin x dx. Because 0 to 45 cos is more than sin. With respect to x axis, 0 to pi by 4 cos minus sin you cut out, you get a shaded part. Integration of cos sin between the limit 0 to pi by 4. Okay, integration of minus cos is plus, integration of minus sin is plus cos between the limit 0 to pi by 4. Okay, now if I substitute upper limit is sin pi by 4 minus the lower limit is sin 0. Okay, and upper limit is cos pi by 4 minus the lower limit is cos 0. Sin 0 will be equal to 0, sin 45 1 by root 2. Okay, cos 45 is also 1 by root 2 and cos 0 is 1. So this becomes 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 minus 1, that is same as root 2 minus 1. Okay, answer is option C. Isn't it guys? Yeah. Let's move to the next question. Okay, area of the region bounded between the curves y square is equal to 8x. Y square is equal to 8x and y equal to 2x. Okay, now this is of the form y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, and then this is of the line, this is of the form y equal to mx. If you compare, you get 4a equal to 8 and m is equal to 2. So I'll get a equal to 2 and m is also equal to 2. So I have given you that result before. Again, this is 2020 question. Right? Even 18 paper we have done one question. Area bounded by y square is equal to 4x and line y equal to mx. Area is equal to 8a square by 3m cube. So this is equal to 8a square will be equal to 2 square divided by 3 into m cube. M cube is equal to 2 cube. Okay, 8 will cancel with 8. You get this as 4 upon 3. That's the answer guys. 4 by 3 square units. Answer is option D. So I'll stop here, guys. Please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notification of all my classes, guys. Alright, and then please do watch, like and share my video. We will continue with the PYQs of applications of integral, that is part 2, session 2. Alright, on 11th of this month, guys, 11th Jan, okay, 11:30 am in the 11:30 am. Alright, do join my class, guys. Alright, and thanks for watching. God bless you, guys. Bye, take care.